Hey, what happened?
And this is what happens when your dog falls off the rainbow road in Mario Kart.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is another short one, but it's on my journey of changing the exterior of my Tesla Model 3 to where I can recognize it in a parking lot now that everyone has a white Tesla Model 3.
I started with this carbon fiber spoiler from EV Base and really loving the way that looks. They've sent me something else to complement this, so let's take a look at this. Thank you to EV Base for sending this out. So what we have here are real carbon fiber camera covers held on with double-sided tape. This stuff is super strong. That's what's holding the wing on. This is what it covers up. I don't know if you can see here, but if you look real close there's a dent right there. These things are metal, and if you get a rock chip, it will dent this metal. So this is just going to rest on top, kind of like that, and it's going to cover that up just to add a little bit of carbon fiber to the exterior of the car. The kit does come with adhesion promoter that I would recommend that you clean this. If you wash the car first, make sure you get all the water out from back here because water does like to collect back there. This is just held on with double-sided tape, so you're going to peel all this off first, and then you're going to just line it up and make sure it's lined up properly before you press down. All right, with all the tape removed, what I would recommend is you kind of line it up angled first, like this, to make sure it's on there. And then you press down. So I just completed this on both sides. And what I like about this is it covers up all the chrome. You can't find any chrome on there just because of the way it wraps around the edges here. I really like that, and I like that it looks like a quality piece because it is real carbon fiber. It doesn't look like a cheap piece of plastic. And this is the passenger side here. And this is kind of what it looks like from a distance. And if you go to the EV Base website, you'll see that they make these in both glossy and matte finish. I chose matte for mine just because my spoiler is also matte, and I just like the way that looks. They sell this for the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, Model X, and they're currently on sale for $69. You can save even more with coupon code BECAUSETESLA.
So that's it. The install only took about 5 minutes, and I think it looks great. What do you guys think?
Any mod that improves the look of your car that's also affordable and super easy to install always gets a thumbs up for me.
Thanks again for watching, guys. If you like the video, let me know by hitting the thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please consider subscribing. I've got a lot more things I'm doing to this vehicle. Also this guy too. You don't want to miss that. I'll see you guys in the near future. Bye-bye.